Hi everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So this is the part 2 of the expected questions for the June 2024 examination, which is going to be held from 25th to 27th, and most probably our life science will be on 25th only as according to the previous patterns, right? Let's discuss about, and if you haven't yet watched the previous part, I have already uploaded the expected question list from unit number 1, 2 and 3. Now we are starting off for unit, like in this particular video I'll give you the topics for unit number 4, 5 and 8, and then I'll be bringing up two more parts, one for unit number 6, 10 and 11 together, and one for unit number 12, 13 and 9, right? So let's discuss about the most important questions or the most important topics for the June 2024 examination. Before starting the video, if you're new to Botany Insider, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. In addition, we have our full course running for December 2024 students. If any one of you who's targeting out the December exam, uh, make sure to download our application and go through all the important course details for the June 2024 full course. You can WhatsApp us on this particular number as well. We'll help you out in the best manner possible. In addition, there are free tests ongoing. There's a free test series ongoing for the June 2024 batch itself. Now let's talk about the important topics for unit number 4, that is your cell signaling and communication. Now, if you have learned this particular unit very nicely, you should not be making a mistake in the topic of cancer, which is one of the most frequently asked, most frequently uh, questioned area from this particular unit. You can get questions in match the following part. You can get the questions in the statement wise part, and you can also get the questions in the experimental part, right? So please make sure that you are not skipping this particular part. In the recent years, in last 4 years, we have got questions from the topics like properties of the various cancer cells that we have. From the cancer stem cells also we have got a question. So remember to not skip the revision of the cancer topic. Then the another topic is the various signaling pathways, majorly the signaling pathways like nitric oxide, GPCR pathway, IP3 DAC pathway, in which we study about your calmodulin as well, which is your calcium carrier. We can also get a question from the properties of CAMP. You can also get question from your, like in the recent paper, there was a pictorial representation given to you and they asked about what are the four main components given in the entire thing. So that was also one of the new and a unique type of question that was asked, and it was asking you about the ras map kinase pathway. Like just a representation of the question was a bit different, otherwise the question was very easy, right? So remember about all these things, make sure to revise all these things properly. Then the questions from your cell adhesion molecule, in which the cell adhesion molecules match the following concept has been asked a lot of number of times. Then from your cell junctions like plasmodesmata, tight junctions, then you have gap junctions. So you get a question from these areas time and again, so make sure that you are remembering and recalling all of these things on time. From the area of B cells and T cells, that is your immunology, we get their characteristic features question, so don't skip that. Then from the area of your various immunoglobulins that we have, IgA, IgG, IgM, the questions can easily be asked in. Even if you have not studied immunology, then also the simple part of B cells characteristic, T cell characteristics can be dealt with. You need not to like get into the entire topic preparation. Even if you find the immunology bit difficult, I would still suggest you to not leave the simple topic, to leave the properties of B cell, T cell, immunoglobulins altogether, right? So remember about this as well. And in your signaling pathway, cholera toxin is also very, very important, right? So nitric oxide, GPCR, IP3 DAC pathway, RASMAP kinase pathway, cholera toxin, delta notch pathway. You should remember and make sure that you're not skipping any of these things, because very easily question can be asked from any of the segment, and you should be ready with the discussion of, ready with the proper analysis of all these things in your head, right? And then we have unit number 5, which is your developmental biology. Again, simple scoring and easy unit. Do not skip Drosophila. You'll be getting a question from Drosophila this year as well, specifically the experimental type of question, like the functionality of bicoid or hunchback, nano, squaddle. Because and in December 2023, there was an experimental question asked of injecting the bicoid in different positions. So you can easily expect one question this time as well. In addition to that, the various basic concepts, which include your potency, which includes induction, then which includes the two major types of your development, the regulative one and the mosaic one. Then the concept of the regeneration types, the various differentiation type, determination, specification. So the basics of unit number 5 concept is also very, very important. Concept of your genomic imprinting is again very important. In the recent paper, they asked you about the genomic imprinting part. So remember about the genomic imprinting as well, and to not skip it. After that, Drosophila, again, every single year we get a question from here. In recent paper, there was a question asked from the dosage compensation as well. So high chances of repeating the same question, repeating the same concept. Fertilization in sea urchin, also very, very important. Remember about, or make sure that you not skip it. Then the modes or the various ways in which we can prevent your fertilization, prevent your uh, polyfertilization. That's also very, very, polyspermy that we have, that is also very important. After that, the concept of your C elegant vulva development, from this question, as from this particular topic as well, every year we get questions related to the same. So, then sex determination in your Drosophila and mammals. Like Drosophila in totality is very important. Every single thing is very important. Then you have a concept of cleavage of various types in different organisms. ABCE model of flower development, the various genes involved, the various classes of genes that we have. So you can expect a question from this area as well. So unit 5 is very easy and also very, very important, right? So remember about this particular thing also, that you're not skipping all these things, right? After that, we have the next unit, that is unit number 8. So in unit number 8, you can easily expect question from linkage and mapping, like the various linkage that we have, the types of linkage, complete, incomplete, how to calculate the gene order and everything. So which is a different topic as well. So gene order concept is important. Finding up the complementation test is also very, very important. The order of genes, the order of four transformants altogether is very important, right? So make sure that you're not skipping it. From mutation, you can expect one question. The experimental concept of mutation is also very, very important. Then you have a concept or a question from your pedigree analysis almost every year. So pedigree analysis holds very good important. Then various diseases like Klinefelter and your Turner syndrome. So all these diseases, their way of representation, how does the chromosomal aberrations occur in them? That's also very important. After that, the ABO, that is your blood group model, the blood group system that we have, that's again very important. In gene order itself, the genetic map question can also be expected this particular year. Then you have the concept of epistasis, the various laws of Mendel that we have. So you can expect a simple question as well. Then in recent year, that is June 2023, there was a question asked from your cruciform structure of your chromosome. So various forms of chromosome is also important. Remember about this, right? Then various diseases. In the recent paper, Kalman syndrome was asked. Then in one of the paper, they asked you about the Turner syndrome. In one of them, they asked you about Farader-Willi syndrome. So different types of syndromes are getting asked. That makes up the entire topic very important. So these are the most expected topics from unit number 8 as well, right? And then a question from your like the infection cycle that we have, lytic and the lysogenic cycle, that's also very important and getting repeated. From your ploidy topic also you can expect a question, polyploidy, autoploidy, aneuploidy and everything. So all these things are very important, right? And you can easily expect questions from these areas, right? I hope this list is going to help you in guiding you for the revision of the topics, right? So this is about for this particular video. I hope it was helpful. If yes, do let me know in the comment sections below, and also do not forget to hit the subscribe button to Botany Insider. I am trying my level best to provide you with the best content and the most important content for the examination, right? Let's meet in the third part. I'll be bringing up the topics for unit number 6, 10, and 11. And also let me know in the chat section whether you are liking this series of topics or not. Let's meet in the next class now. Bye everyone. Take care. All the best.